Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to talk about the new features and the new design in the notification panel after Realme UI 4.0 update. Yes friends, recently I'm getting few comments regarding the Realme UI 4.0 explaining all the tips and tricks and all the features. So in this video, let's focus only on the new type of notification panel and what are the things you should know about this latest update of the Realme UI 4.0. And in this video, I'm trying to use the device which is a Realme 10 Pro Plus, so which did release out of the box with the Realme UI 4.0 and Android 13. So out of the box, the phone did release, as you can see with the Realme UI 4.0. So right now, I'll try to explain you what are the features you should know about the notification panel. And in case if you are interested in any other videos more on the Realme UI 4.0, try to go to my channel, try to go to the playlist, and there you should be able to find the Realme UI 4.0 features. So make sure to check out the links in description for more updates on this particular topic as well. So all the links will be available in the description below. So first of all, there's a new type of design interface you should be able to see at this moment. So which looks slightly kind of close to MIUI as well regarding this overall tiles design of the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth. Even the MIUI has got similar kind of design, but that's not exactly same, but a little bit kind of close because of this bigger Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth indication. So previously it used to be like this in the Realme UI 3.0. So you can see the difference, right? 3.0 and the 4.0. So when you try to pull down, so this is how it actually looks like. So between these both exact mobile phones. So this exact layout has been changed right now, and same thing, the arrow marks which are present before for the Wi-Fi and for the Bluetooth, same arrow marks are present even for the Realme UI 4.0 as well. Arrow marks, as you can see, and the brightness and everything. And before, the notification used to come till bottom, but right now it didn't come till bottom. It did stop exactly around maybe quarter of the phone. As you can see, maybe around 70% of the phone, it did stop it. It did not come down. That's something I did notice. So next thing is about the music option, which will be available right here. For example, if you need to play any other song or any other media player. So right now I'm trying to play the music at this moment. And as soon as I start playing the music, you should be able to see this music option, small widget on the notification toggle, as you can see. And here you do have a few options. For example, if you try to tap on this small phone icon, as you can see, now you can actually select the output from which you want to listen the audio. Like if you want to listen from the phone speaker, you can select. If you connect any other Bluetooth devices, headphones, you can select the Bluetooth headphones as well. In this way, you can actually select the media output. That's a small icon is there. And if you try to tap on this one, so this will take to the small menu where you can actually forward and the backward the music. And if you try to tap again, this will take you to the application as well, direct application. So this is the one thing which has been implemented, which feels pretty good as well. And as soon as you close this application from the background, the widgets will be completely disappear from the notification. As you can see, there is no widget at all right now. So that's something which I did notice at this moment. And screenshot has also got a small arrow mark. So where you can actually select different arrow mark, as you can see, I mean screenshots. So scrolling screenshot or partial screenshots. In this way, you'll be able to select as well. So right now, so I should be able to drag and select the partial screenshot, as you can see in this way. So that's something which I did notice after the Realme UI 4.0 update. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, which is your favorite feature. My favorite feature is regarding the music option as well. That's something. And apart from that, I did not see any kind of major changes happening, and haptic feedback vibration got improved after this update. I'm getting pretty good haptic feedback while I'm trying to change this increase and decrease the brightness. So edit tiles, you do have different tiles options as well, just quite kind of similar. And tapping on this icon will take you to the alarm clock. Tapping on this time and tapping on the date, I think it should be able to take you to the calendar as well. That's something you should know. So on the clock, it will take you to the clock, and tap on the date, it will take you to the calendar. That's a small shortcut in case if you don't know. Now you know. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out the playlist for more information on the Realme UI 4.0. Meanwhile, signing off until next state of more updates, and bye.